Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to connect Temu with Shopify. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, log into your Shopify store. Then on the search bar, search for Temu. So these are the results that you're gonna see. As you can see, this one right here, which is called Zopi, is dropshipping from different online stores like AliExpress, and Temu is also included here. So just click on Zopi. Then click on Install. Then just click on Install again. So as you can see, it's now here under Apps on your Shopify store. The next thing that we're gonna do is to add its extension to our browser. So let's go to Chrome Web Store. Then search for Zopi. Then just click on this Zopi importer right here. Then click on Add to Chrome. Then just click on Add Extension. Then let us just pin this extension here. Now let's go to Temu and search for the item that we want to dropship. So for example, this one right here. Just click on the item, then just click on Add to Import List. Then this dialog box will appear. Just click on Login. Then scroll down a little and click on Get Started. Just click on Install again here. As you can see, it's already installed on our Shopify. Just go back to Temu and click on Add to Import List. Then just click on Verify here. Just answer this security verification, then click on Add to Import List again. As you can see, it's now importing. You should be able to see the product here. If not, then just choose a plan here. So let's just choose the basic one. Once it's done, the product will now appear in the product center. So if we click this one, we can now see the product we imported from Temu. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.